Today, we're going to be talking about Dimetrodon. This is one of the most famous non-dinosaur fossil animals, though you'll often find it in tubes of toys with a bunch of dinosaurs. That said, we actually think it's more closely related to mammals like us than it is to dinosaurs. We're also proud of it here at the Texas Science and Natural History Museum because it's from Texas. Now, we're going to talk about this big sail today. What was it used for? People have pondered that question since this animal was discovered. The most popular theory was that it was used like a radiator for thermal regulation, though some more ridiculous ideas were that it was used like a flipper or a sail like you might see on a sailboat. Today, we think it had two main purposes: stability and display. For display, think of it like antlers on a deer or a cat arching its back to scare off an enemy. For stability, that one's a little more interesting. See, we used to think that those spines would just have skin stretched between them. We now know that it was a little more intricate. The base of the sail would have been embedded in a thick layer of skin and muscle, and as the animal ran, that thick layer would have provided stability to stop it from wasting energy by wiggling its body. As you moved up the sail, you would have skin stretched between the spines, and then at the very tips, the skin would no longer be stretched between the spines, making the tips look exposed. Instead of having a smooth sail, it would have had something of a spiky look when it was alive. So we've already known this animal was interesting, but as time goes on, we learn even more that it was crazier than we could have possibly imagined.